Inbound materials are received and identified to start full traceability for the production lot. Electrostatic discharge controls are verified to protect sensitive components.
Moisture-sensitive parts are baked to prevent defects during reflow soldering.
Automated checks confirm components match the build specification.
Verified materials are buffered at the line to support continuous SMT operation.
Automatic alignment ensures solder paste is printed precisely on each pad.
Solder paste volume and alignment are checked to catch defects before placement. Automated placement accurately positions components onto the solder paste.
Vision correction ensures each component is placed with micron-level accuracy.
Placed boards are buffered smoothly to maintain continuous SMT flow.
Controlled heating melts solder paste to form reliable electrical joints. Temperature profiles are tightly controlled to protect components and solder joints.
AOI detects soldering and placement defects early in the process.
Only conforming boards proceed, while exceptions are held for review.
Reworked boards are re-verified to ensure defects are fully resolved.
Individual boards are separated from panels for downstream assembly. In-circuit testing verifies basic electrical integrity before final assembly.
Boards that pass ICT are cleared for functional testing.
Non-conforming boards are isolated to prevent unintended use.
Functional testing confirms the board operates as designed.
Verified boards are released to final assembly as controlled WIP.
Each board is digitally tracked as it enters final assembly.
Critical components are mechanically aligned to maintain thermal performance. Controlled torque prevents board damage and ensures even pressure. Automated vision confirms correct installation before enclosure build.
The power module is installed to supply stable energy to the system.
Fastening is controlled to meet mechanical and safety requirements. Proper cable routing prevents interference and improves reliability. Controlled fastening ensures enclosure strength and long-term durability. Visual inspection confirms the console is properly closed.
Connector alignment is verified to ensure user accessibility and durability.
Each unit is registered as it enters end-of-line testing.
Electrical safety tests verify insulation and grounding compliance.
The console is powered on to confirm core system functionality.
Performance checks ensure the system operates within design limits.
External interfaces are verified for full user functionality.
Only the identified fault is corrected to restore compliance.
Repaired units must pass the full test sequence before release.
Correct accessories are prepared to match each console configuration.
Serialization ensures each console is packed with the correct accessories.
The console and accessories are packed in the correct orientation.
Sealing protects product integrity through distribution.
Each carton is labeled to maintain product identity and regulatory compliance. Weight checks confirm all contents are present inside the box.
Master cases are sealed and identified for downstream handling.
Cases are palletized to prepare for secure transport and storage.
Stretch wrapping stabilizes loads to prevent shifting during transport.
Pallet labels link finished goods to shipping documentation.
Pallets are stored in designated locations awaiting shipment.
Electronic scrap is separated to enable compliant recycling. Reusable materials are recovered to reduce waste.
Non-reusable waste is stored safely for licensed disposal.
Waste materials are transferred to approved partners for disposal or recycling.
Mark, the Houston shipment needs to go out first thing. Make sure the paperwork is ready.
Correct pallets are selected to fulfill confirmed orders.
Finished goods are loaded securely to prevent transit damage. Accurate documentation ensures smooth handover to carriers and customs.
All right, scan complete. Here is your pouch for the shipment.
Got it. Thanks.
Finished consoles leave the factory for global distribution.
Production data is reviewed to drive continuous improvement.
Routine maintenance keeps equipment accurate and reliable. Critical tools are calibrated to ensure future build accuracy.
Consumable parts are managed to prevent process drift.
Metal scrap is compacted for efficient recycling.
Packaging waste is separated to reduce environmental impact.
Utility and compliance data are tracked to support efficient operations.
This diagram highlights the new assembly sequence. Ensure calibration is done here first.
What if the sensor reading is outside the green zone?
The line is left in a controlled ready state for the next build. Finished goods are safely stored, awaiting distribution. Packaging materials are staged and controlled to support the next build.
The manufacturing order is formally closed in the system.
Retention units are stored for traceability and future analysis.
Key metrics are posted to maintain transparency and accountability.
Facility is secured after shipment completion. Reusable pallets are recovered to reduce logistics waste. Minor pallet damage is repaired to extend service life. Unusable wood is prepared for compliant recycling. All recycling streams are consolidated for efficient collection.